You don't want to hit it up, Tony? You don't want to hit it up right there? Like I was doing? Okay. Okay. From the bird's nest with the egg in it. Way down here. Oh, and I was sliding. Whoa. Okay. So I slid all the way. I was over here. So this needs to come down. So let me get at it. Oh. What do I do with it? This is well, I can't really see it. It's a 3 amp. It keeps burning it right there. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right there. Oops, there he goes. And then we're gonna do this. We're gonna turn this on over here. And we're gonna go to cool. We're gonna turn the switch on over here. We're gonna turn the switch on over here to cool. I'm gonna turn it to on. There it goes. It's on now. Put it right there. Works now. That's good. It's gonna go any minute now. Any minute now. Oh, there it goes, I think. Check it out.